Hello class, this is Mr. Walter, and this week we will be going over nouns. What are nouns? A noun is a part of speech that describes a person, place, or thing. In sentences, nouns generally function as a subject or as objects. Let's start with the first one. A person. A person could be a police officer, someone who takes care of our health, like a doctor, someone who takes care of all the fires, like a firefighter, someone like myself, a teacher, and many others that you can see on the PowerPoint slide in front of you. Next, we go to a place. A place can be many different things, such as a beach, where you're at right now, school, where you make your lunches, a kitchen, somewhere you might go on a Sunday or on a church, somewhere like a city, Los Angeles, New York, things like that. Then we go to a thing. A thing can be many different things as well, such as a football, something used to kick a football, like your shoe, something you might ride in to go to school, a bus, something your parents drive, like a car, where you sleep at night in your bed, a bed is a thing as well, something you see, like a mouse, something you're looking into when you're studying for your classes, books, your phones are things, your game consoles are things, pencils are also things. Lastly, attached to the video, there will be a document for you guys to download and work on and bring to class next time we meet. It will give you guys different things, such as persons, places, things, and animals, that you will then fill out, writing what you think goes in each spot, and then turning that in. The answers will also be down below in the description for you to download and compare your answers to and fix anything you might need to fix before coming to class. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in class next time.